Wishing you health. Yesterday, I received protective nets through Nova Poshta that can protect our combat positions, equipment, and especially people, our military, from enemy FPV drones. The nets turned out to be very high quality and strong. Therefore, we ask for more help with such nets to provide us with them. A sincere thank you to the public charity organization I Will Help, represented by its directors Zlatan Alexander Yuryovich, Boris Holodenko, and Maxim Levenda. From the city of Odesa, Nova Poshta number 2 from the city of Odesa and the public organization HELP Ukrainian BEMK United Kingdom. Together to victory. Together we create the future. Glory to the United Kingdom and the entire free world. Glory to Ukraine. Glory to the heroes.